In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the D3D11-Compatible GPU feature level 11.0 shader model 5.0 is required to run the engine. So let's get to fixing it. Go to your start and go ahead and search for View Advanced System. Now right here, you want to go ahead and open the View Advanced System settings just like so. Now what you want to do is go to Advanced and go ahead and select Settings. Now you can either select Custom, but let's just go with Adjust for best performance. Now once you select that, go ahead and look for Show Thumbnail instead of Icon and check the box, and also Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts and check the box and Apply and click OK just like so. Now also go to the same Advanced and same settings. Now go to Advanced here and go ahead and change. Now go ahead and uncheck the automatically manage paging file and select Custom. So go ahead and impute 1024, that's the initial size MB. Now what you want to do is go to your About your PC. Now we want to go ahead and check for your installed RAM size. Go ahead and open it, and under installed RAM, as you can see right here, it's showing 6.50. that's for my PC, so yours might be showing something different. So go ahead and put that in your mind and go to your calculator. Go ahead and search for calculator. Now go ahead and open it. So what we want to do now is first of all impute our initial size, which is 1024, and multiply it by the installed RAM 6.50, or whatever your installed RAM is. Now this would impute to our maximum size. So go ahead and copy it and go ahead and paste it right here, and go ahead and remove the comma and set just like so. Click OK and also accept, yes, click OK and apply, and also click OK. And we'll be prompted to restart our PC. So just go ahead and restart your PC. If you find this video helpful, kindly support my channel by liking the video, subscribing, and also commenting if it worked for you. See you in the next one. Peace.